RK College of Engineering and Technology. RK College of Engineering and Technology is part of RK Group of Colleges run and managed by the renowned Shyamji Harji Talaviya Charitable Trust. The college has serene surrounding and non-polluted environment. The total built-up area of the college is about 1 lakh square feet. It runs 4 major faculty like Electronics and Communication, Computer Engineering, Information Technology and Mechanical Engineering. Nowadays, India is becoming a global technological leader in all areas, and trustees of these colleges want to become a proud partner in this national task by providing qualified manpower input. Hence, the chief objective of the trust is to offer quality technical education backed up by infrastructure comparable with nationally and internationally reputed institutions and turn out professionally fully qualified engineers who are ready to plunge into deep water and take up the challenging task of nation building. All the classrooms are spacious, well ventilated and acoustically designed and provided with audiovisual aids to ensure that teaching and learning process become interesting and interactive. Lectures are delivered by the faculties using state-of-the-art technology to create interest and to give visualization of current status of technology. Academic timetable is designed to focus on overall development of students. Here we organize expert lectures by eminent faculties to familiarize the students with current need of industries. Students are encouraged to appear in national and international level conferences, symposiums, workshops, etc. Live lectures by eminent experts from multinational companies like Microsoft and TCS are arranged under the scheme of C2C using DTH service. We always train our students for various competitive exams, group discussion and to face interviews of multinational organizations. The computer center consists of high-tech systems with high-speed Wi-Fi internet facility which is available right through the campus. The computer centers are interconnected with LAN connection. Internet facilities are available even after college hours. All the laboratories are equipped with latest state-of-art equipments and instruments as per the university syllabus. We have fully modernized equipments in all laboratories. We have ultra-modern machinery with fully trained subordinate staff, which helps and assists students in all ways. Various labs are available for all faculty here. CAD/CAM lab is equipped with advanced designing software like Pro Engineer and Plotter. The college library is one of the best equipped amongst all colleges with a collection of about 10,000 books covering all branches of engineering, science, humanities and general books for various competitive exam, etc. Besides, the college subscribes to 32 national journals and 10 international journals to enable the students to possess updated knowledge of latest developments in their areas of specialization. The library is available even after college hours. Library is fully computerized with online access of books and magazines. We have unique digital library with e-journal facilities to promote research in engineering education. We have special e-corner for the benefit of students. Students are encouraged to participate in various activities and technical events held by other engineering colleges to develop their leadership skills, communication skills, and to get an opportunity to interact with various other college students. Indoor and outdoor sports facility exists for the student. We lay equal emphasis on co-curricular and extracurricular activities and also impart moral and ethical values to develop the total personality of the student. Dedicated faculties, sound infrastructural facilities with state-of-art laboratories and library, disciplined students and a management with foresight and wisdom are the hallmark and main strength of the college. So come and experience the difference in RKCET.